At the bottom of the device, there is a hidden battery compartment. Grab the standard batteries from the case, slide them in, and we are good to go. Next up, the router. Take it out of the case, connect it to a power source, and use the LAN port to hook it up to your laptop. Now let's get connected, and then grab our wireless network card and plug it into the device ports. There are 2 slots on the KSCAN-E, so you can choose to use one or both. Dual cards offer extra stability, especially for high-speed data transfers. With the hardware ready, let's install the software. This is the dongle. Plug it into the laptop and launch the DefinSight. The DefinSight is divided into 3 main sections: the top function bar, the left side parameter settings, and the central data display area. Then press and hold the power button at the bottom of the scanner. Once you see the green light, the device is on. On both the device touchscreen and the DefinSight interface, you will see that the KSCAN-E has successfully started up and connected wirelessly, smooth and effortless. If you got any questions or want to learn more, feel free to drop us an email. Thanks for watching and see you next time.